Hi everybody, welcome back to Dr. Saalaar channel. You definitely heard about these ketogenic diet buzz and how it does miracles for weight loss. Well, this can all be true depending on how you approach to this diet, because some common mistakes can reduce its effectiveness and even lead to adverse effects. So today, we're going to talk about 5 common mistakes that people make while they are on ketogenic diet. So stay with me until the end of this video. Let's go! Ketogenic diet is a dietary plan that has gained immense popularity because of its potential health benefits. This diet is about altering our body's energy source from carbohydrates to fats. This shift puts the body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for the fuel instead of glucose, leading to various health benefits. There are several scientific papers which have shown that ketogenic diet can help with losing weight, improving insulin sensitivity, and even enhance your cognitive function. But if you don't do it in the right way and under the guidance, it can lead to the exact opposite effects. For example, a case study in a medical journal reported that improper adherence to the diet led to elevated cholesterol and elevated liver enzymes. So it's very important to follow the diet correctly to get the best results. Now let's see what are the common mistakes that we make while we are on ketogenic diet. The first mistake is cutting carbs and increasing fat too quickly. When you are just beginning with your ketogenic diet, a common mistake is that you reduce your carbohydrate intake very quickly and very much. And at the same time, you increase your fat consumption too rapidly. This abrupt shift can shock your body because it suddenly has to go from glucose to ketones as its primary source of energy. And this sudden change can lead to symptoms like fatigue, headache, and irritability, which are sometimes called keto flu. So it is recommended to reduce your carbohydrate intake and increase your fat consumption more gradually. This gives your body some time to adapt to burning fats as the source of energy and reduce your symptoms of keto flu. Now the next mistake, which is quite common, is not drinking enough water. When carbohydrates are restricted, the body stores less glycogen, which is bound to water, leading to increased water loss. Reduced glycogen stores and increased ketone production can lead to dehydration. And this is because each gram of glycogen is approximately associated with 3 to 4 grams of water. So as your glycogen stores are reduced on a ketogenic diet, a significant amount of water is lost, needing you to drink more water. So in order to counteract this, when you're on a ketogenic diet, you should consciously increase your water consumption. This helps maintain hydration, supports metabolic processes, and can alleviate some of the symptoms of the keto flu. Now the third mistake is forgetting about omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for balancing inflammation and supporting your heart health. In fact, there are studies which show that a huge part of cardioprotective and anti-inflammatory effects of keto diet can be because of its omega-3 contents. A diet lacking in these fats can lead to an imbalance between omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. And this imbalance can potentially increase the risk of chronic diseases because of increased inflammation. So make sure that you include omega-3 rich food like fatty fish into your ketogenic diet. This ensures the balance of essential fats, supporting anti-inflammatory processes and heart health. The fourth common mistake is not paying attention to veggie intake. If you ignore to monitor the vegetable intake on your ketogenic diet, well, that can be a mistake. Although vegetables are very nutritious, they also have carbohydrates which can affect ketosis. Vegetables contribute carbs, and consuming too many, especially from the ones which are high in carbs, can take your body out of ketosis. But at the same time, vegetables are crucial for providing essential fibers and nutrients. So focus on low-carb vegetables like leafy greens, cucumbers, cauliflower, and broccoli. These vegetables provide you with essential nutrients while keeping your carb intake in check. Now, the last and most important mistake that you make is going on a ketogenic diet on your own and without consulting your doctor. Beginning a ketogenic diet without medical consultation is a significant mistake. And that is specifically true for the people who have pre-existing conditions or the ones who are on medication. The ketogenic diet induces major metabolic changes that can impact various health aspects, including blood sugar levels, kidney function, and nutrient balance. These changes can be specifically critical for people with diabetes, heart problems, or kidney diseases. So it's essential to consult with your doctor, ideally someone who is familiar with ketogenic diet, before beginning your diet. They can adapt the diet based on your individual health needs and manage any potential risks. So it's very important to know that although a ketogenic diet can have a lot of benefits, it can be very harmful for some people if they go unsupervised on this diet. And in fact, there are research which shows that ketogenic diet might be contraindicated in people with type 1 diabetes, heart failure, or chronic kidney disease. So make sure that you consult with your doctor before starting it and be aware of these common mistakes. That was it. Thank you guys for watching until the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until the next video, bye!